Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So story is something like that. A person contacted me through my official Facebook page, which is Beginners to Expert. He asked me that can I help him with customizing his website. He's a beginner, so I thought that why not? I think I should help him. So today I'm going to make a video on. I'm going to teach him and share this video with him. I'm not going to do any live session or something like that. I'm just going to record the steps he need to follow and build up his page. So let's dive into our work. So this is the website he wants. This is his website and he wants it to look like this one. I suggested him that he uses Elementor, so I'm just going to tell him some of the basics what to do, so listen carefully. If you notice that there is a sidebar and there is a slider from the first section. Okay, now continuously in this page you will find that there is a sidebar and then there is a separate game section. You can create this page using Elementor in the best way. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you the basics. I'm not going to tell you one-on-one how to do it, because I just want you to know how to use Elementor. You will know what to do once you open Elementor yourself. So first of all, let's make another section here like this one, and here you can add an image carousel. Now here we can drop it, add an image, like we're going to select this one, create a new gallery, insert gallery, and you can select the size into medium, large. I think this fits it the best. Okay, now here's a search bar, and then there's APK Pure, and using APK Pure app, faster, free, saving data, and this and that. So we're going to drop a search bar, okay, here, and then we're going to add text editor, and in text editor just copy this and I'm gonna paste it here. You can change this color of the font later, and after that there is a button. Go here, search for a button, drag and drop. You can change its length by padding. Okay, go to style and button and padding. Okay, you can change it to your own accord like this one, and I'm not going to do it. I'm just randomly telling you how to do it from right to left. Increase it, I'm going to change to 300, about 300. That's way too much. Just chop it a bit. Okay, this is fine. Then from left you can change its text. $199, and here we got to set it to 100. Yeah, this should do it. Okay, now you can change the text size from here. Okay, that's so much. You can change the content from here. Click here, download. This is a quick guide, so I'm trying to rush through it so that it won't take your time and my time. Yeah, decrease. This is fine. You can increase and decrease the button size and length and whatsoever you want from the padding area. And let's dive into the further section. You can do this with the same. You can just add another section here like this one, and then add text editor. Just copy this content. I'm not telling you to copy the content, I'm trying to just speed my work up. Just copy it, and when you paste it, you just need to manage some of the alignments, and this will be aligned according to your desire. Okay, now the problem is that you want to make your text prominent. Like you see that there's a white box back there, so select this area. Background, you can select it from here and turn it to white. So here you'll see that your website can be converted into white color. And this one, design, you want to design this column, just click on it, go to style, repeat the same step, select classic and click on white, select the white color, and you can just do anything you want. You want to change the color of this background, you can go down and select a background color. You want it to be classic and something a bit greenish. Okay, select it. Advanced, you can select its padding on top to bottom. That's it. Do whatever you want in Elementor. It's free of cost and it helps you a lot in building your website the way you want it. Even you can plagiarize or design, copy the exact design. So I suggest that you use Elementor for your website designing. Like I've shown you this header area, I've not done some complications. This is just very simple. I think and I hope you use Elementor and build your page using Elementor so that you. And here I've added the social media icons from the widget area. So all you need to do is search for social media icons and drag and drop those in the section, in the sidebar section you want. So that's it. Hope that it would be helpful for you. I look forward to your response now.